Hello friends, this is Owen Fernandez from The Win is Within You. Today, I'm going to summarize on a very important and sensitive topic called forgiveness. Before I delve into what true forgiveness means, let me explain what forgiveness is not. Forgiveness is not forgetting. Forgiveness is not pretending something didn't happen at all. Forgiveness is not excusing someone who did something wrong. It is not saying it is okay to act the way the person acted towards us. It is not even making up or kissing and making things appear nice. Forgiveness is letting go of the need for revenge and releasing negative thoughts of bitterness and resentment. The art of forgiveness is simply an act of moving forward with peace and happiness. And it is one of the most powerful things we can ever teach ourselves. This usually requires an incredible amount of strength and wisdom, but the fruit of it is always sweet. In order to forgive, we need to try and stop identifying ourselves with the suffering that was caused. Believe me, forgiveness can be a gift that we give to ourselves. Yes, a gift. No one else will give it to us. I repeat, no one else will give it to us. We don't give it to others. This is always a you and you deal. When someone has hurt us, consciously or unconsciously, one of the most difficult things we have to face in resolving the situation is the very act of forgiveness. Dear friends, choosing to forgive is not about letting someone else off the hook. Choosing to forgive is about choosing ourselves, our peace of mind, our happiness over everything that is else. It is about relieving ourselves of that burden, choosing to be free of the past, and choosing not to perceive ourselves as victims. Sometimes it feels like it is easier not to forgive, and that the answer is simply to cut the person in question out of our lives. Ending the relationship may be the right thing to do, but even then, we will only be free if we have truly forgiven. If we harbor bitterness in our hearts against anyone, we only hurt ourselves because we are the ones harboring the bitterness and not they. To forgive, we simply need to get to a place where we are ready to stop identifying ourselves with the suffering that was caused to us. Now we need to know that only suffering comes from suffering, and to forgive, we must see this, accept this, and change course. Getting to this point begins with fully accepting what has happened. It is through this acceptance we allow ourselves to feel and process our emotions. We have talked a lot about forgiving others for their action and their words. But what about forgiving our very selves? Mary Morrissey says, forgiving yourselves shifts your energy from pain to power, from weakness to strength. Friends, we all collect an incredible amount of hurt and also scars over time on this planet in our lives. Yes, each of us do. Learning to forgive heals these wounds. Forgiveness requires immense intentionality, but so does anything else that is worthwhile. Spend time at the beginning of each day practicing forgiveness. Let's be that person who forgave and cut the problem at its very root instead of that person who responded to hurt with more hurt. Thanks for watching. Remember, the win is within you. We are here to help you be victorious. We believe in you and we believe you can. See you soon.
Ooh.